Hey you guys, it's your girl Kay. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you guys my everyday makeup look, just this look that I have right now. So if you would like to see this look, make sure you keep watching. Make sure you thumbs up the video and comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up so you can help promote my content. And yes, stay tuned to see how I got this everyday look. And I decided to add some dramatic lashes just because your girl just be dramatic. Okay, stay tuned. Majority of the products I'm using in this video were actually featured in another video, the top affordable makeup products that you must have in your collection. So go check that video out if you would like to have more details on the products that I'm using right now for my everyday makeup routine. I actually did my brows before I started the video. However, once I start doing my face, I feel like it's best to go back in and just give my brows another cover just so they can look perfect. So I'm going in right now just to perfect my brows. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up so other people can see my content. Comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Stay connected with me on my social medias. And yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.